Many people today are now getting more and more concerned about their health. Besides, who wouldn't be? With the alarming increase in heart-related diseases and diabetes, and the United States having been nicknamed as the fattest country in the world, you have every right to be concerned about your body. You have to consider that your body plays a major role on how you live your daily life. By having a healthy body, you will be able to enjoy life more. You also need to consider that having diabetes and heart-related disease will also affect your family's life. So, if you want a healthy body, you have to turn off your TV, get off your comfortable recliner and start exercising. You also need to consider that you have to have a proper diet in order to maintain your body's health and prevent it from acquiring different kinds of diseases. Today, there are thousands of gyms located all over the United States. You can consider enrolling in one of these gyms in order to get a perfectly healthy body. You have to consider that by exercising, you will not only have a healthy body and a healthy heart, but you will also have a great-looking body that you can proudly show off. However, what if you don't know how to start exercising, or what if you don't know what kind of exercises you need for your body? The answer to these questions is simple. All you need to do is find the right fitness program for you. Gyms today have professional fitness experts or fitness trainers that can give you the right fitness program for you. If you just want to maintain a healthy heart and have a well-toned body, the right fitness program for you will concentrate more on cardiovascular exercises plus a diet program that will help you maintain your heart's health. However, if you want to have stronger muscles, you have to consider that weight training plus intensive cardiovascular exercises are required in your fitness program. You also need to consider that there are different fitness programs for different kinds of people. Even children have their very own fitness programs, and even the elderly have their very own fitness program. You need to consider that your fitness program will depend on the current state your body is in. If you are too fat or overweight, you will first enter a weight loss fitness program. After you finish your weight loss fitness program and have reached the required weight, you will now enter a different and more advanced fitness program that will concentrate on strength and endurance training. However, if you are too thin, you will enter a weight gain fitness program. As you can see, there are different kinds of fitness programs available today. You have to consider that the right fitness program for you will depend entirely on your current health status and your body status. These are some of the things you have to consider when choosing a fitness program for you.